Hi guys, the new episode of Know Your Crypto is here. My name is Amin and today we'll discover all the important facts about the Gnosis project. Let's roll. Gnosis chain is an EVM-compatible Layer 1 blockchain with a primary focus on decentralization. The project has a dual token model, XDAI used for transaction fees and GNO used for validator staking. GNO holders can also participate in the governance of the Gnosis ecosystem by voting on the proposals shared in the Gnosis forum. You can find live discussions where GNO holders discuss ideas on how to grow the ecosystem, receiving support on deploying various use cases, and contributing to decentralization. Let's dive into the Gnosis project's history. Gnosis started in 2015 and launched one of the first dApps on the Ethereum network. Ever since then, the Gnosis team deployed many popular projects such as Gnosis Safe, a multi-sig wallet, CowSwap, a DEX aggregator with MEV protection, Zodiac, the expansion pack for DAOs, and others. Martin Koppelman is CEO of Gnosis. He was an entrepreneur and opinion leader in the blockchain field for many years. Stefan George is CTO. He's also an entrepreneur and developer whose interest in Bitcoin began in 2013. Dr. Friederike Ernst is COO. She was as a crypto technologist for a long time. Now she controls operations at Gnosis. It's time to take a look at Gnosis's main advantages. Low transaction fees. Gnosis chain is more accessible due to its low transaction fees. 0.01 XDAI is enough to make hundreds of transactions on the Gnosis chain. Stablecoin fees. Transaction fees on Gnosis chain are made using the XDAI stablecoin pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar. This makes it easy for anyone to understand the fees they're paying. Validators. Currently, there are more than 106,000 validators on the Gnosis chain today, and Gnosis chain aims to be the most decentralized blockchain. What are the disadvantages of the Gnosis project? Centralization questions. The project held an ICO in 2017 and raised a total of $12.5 million. During this sale, they sold only 5% of the total token supply. This means that the team still controls 95% of the token supply, which could raise some questions about centralization. The Gnosis team is proud of its engineering talent and receives a strong respect from the developer community. They are lesser known to the rest of the ecosystem. However, this can be solved by various explanations from the team via videos or social media posts. And the final disadvantage is that the project's progress might take time. Gnosis has turned over the control of GNO to the Gnosis DAO, and decisions are made via discussions and forums. Progress might become slower due to the nature of decentralization. However, this also means that more voices will be heard and more ideas will be contributed from their vibrant community. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap. See you soon.